What is up, car nuts? How y'all doing today? We are gonna be playing around with our 454 SS. And sorry, get my wallet out of my butt. We are gonna be playing around with our 454 SS. We got wheels and tires. We got welds, some beautiful weld wheels. Everybody's gonna wish they're 20s. They're only 18s, but I got some really cool tires, thick, nasty, fat tires for the back. So it's gonna kind of give it a little racier look. If I went with 20s, I think it's going to rub in the inside on the front, so I don't want to deal with that. So we got 18s. Also, we're going to go get a hood for it today, and I got some other goodies. Let me grab them out of the truck real quick just to show you. So we got for the red OBS. I just want to try to get the 454 SS rolling. I'm just waiting for some other parts to come in on the red one. So join us. Let's get dirty. We got some goodies for the red OBS. So we got new visors for it. This one's got a Bobo. So we can't have that. So we got some bona fide ABS, real deal visors. Much needed trickle charger. And here's some fun stuff. We got stickers too. This place sent us some Motion Works exhaust rings. So then I got these rings for the exhaust. And you're saying to yourself, Kevin, why did you get that? You don't have a turbo. I don't think exhaust rings are just for turbo guys. I've seen a couple dudes have it. Used to kind of be that way. So I'm gonna do this. Come check down here. I think I want to bring it right here and have this come out of here. A little bit more inside, obviously. Cut a hole, and then this will be somewhat to that degree. But again, this is going to be about halfway in there, so it'll be like kind of like that. Yeah. Here. If you think it's stupid, I'll be happy to tell you you're an idiot in the comments. Let's go to the tire shop, boys and girls. Now we're gonna head to the local Stop and Rob, go get us some water, and then we're gonna go to the tire shop, drop off the tires. Then we're gonna go to Tacolicious and get some tacos, and then we're gonna head to some place over in Conroe. Never been before. Supposed to be some like parts guy, has all stuff for like NBS. It's like 99 through 06, 07. And then has a bunch of OBS stuff. I don't know if they have square body stuff. We don't have a square body yet, but we will be getting a square body. They have a lot of stuff in the like the pictures on Marketplace. It's a real shop, and it's kind of local. It's like 15 minutes from me. So we're gonna go pick up a part for the 454 SS, and then we'll go back and pick up our wheels because I don't want to roll around with wheels already mounted and everything, because they will grow legs and walk away. Off to Tacolicious to fill our bellies. Oh gosh, some good tacos. All right. Let's see where this place is. It's got our hood. Dude, I'm pretty sure that's Freddy's place. Y'all know Freddy from Project Torque? I am like 1000%. I've been there before, met the guy before. Freaking awesome dude. By the way, if you ever go to a shop for anything, super great guy. Always like polite and just happy to like talk to anybody. Yeah, that's totally a shop. Let's roll.
Nice.
Let's roll.
Yes, sir. You guys building in the 1990s or what?
We're building 1988.
80. Oh, it's same year.
Yeah, we're building 88.
Yeah.
We got a 454, so this is for the SS.
Oh yeah. You guys taking it?
Yeah, we'll
All right.
yeah,
I will help you load it up. Let me just get some boxes so you won't damage. What should we put it on?
T-Rex.
Perfection.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
You ever launched it? I've never launched mine.
Oh yeah.
3 years.
This thing launches crazy.
Yeah. I know the transmissions are pretty good. They're supposed to be able to hold it.
Dude, I've been putting this in the mud, drag racing it, hot lapping it, like doing drag races one after another, and it's yeah. I broke the transfer case once, but the transmission and the motor, man, they're good stuff. Good stuff.
Yeah, they're saying you can take these transmissions and put them on LSs now.
Yeah, they have like a casing that you could,
yeah, for the bell housing or something.
Hey, this thing is another level, dude.
We got 3 OBSs right now. This is beautiful, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a Patina F100.
I've always liked the Patina look. I never seen it on a Canada though. It's different. Yeah, you always see the C10s and the 4s, the older 4s.
That's what we're gonna do on the OBS back trip. When we do that one.
You can buy whenever you get them done.
Yeah, we'll get them back.
Whenever you build your race truck too, man.
Man, I gotta hit y'all up because I don't know all that shit too much anymore. Like to keep like back in the day I did when it was just Ford 9-inch and a Power Glide and a Chevy 350 and a 250 shot.
Yeah.
That's what everybody used to roll. But like now it's a whole different level. We're running like 660s.
Damn.
That's an 8th mile.
Oh, that's
yeah,
still pretty good.
But that was like that's as good as we were, right? That's like slow nowadays.
60 is not too bad.
No, it's fun.
I mean, I put the diesel C10 on the 8th mile and it ran 10, so that's slow, But 60 is not that bad.
Yeah, no, we used to run that class. We used to run that class, but it was.
I mean, they have the 750 class and shit. They're like 30, 40 trucks whenever they do the 750 class.
There's 720 class too, right? No, it's
750. That's what they've been doing now.
Yeah, 750. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah. All right, man. Oh, I can pay you, man.
Yep.
Yeah. Do some videos for the gringos, okay?
All right, I'll switch it up now and then.
Or just throw some. If you just throw a little bit of English in there more, then I can keep up better. Nah, I just fucking with you. God bless y'all. Y'all take care, man. Man, he was so freaking cool. Like I didn't expect him to be there, and so his hospitality and like just the way he just took us to show us around his cars. The TRX was awesome, man. Kudos to that guy because he's not letting it go to his head and stuff. So, all right, let's roll. Call it a day. I think it's been very successful. Shout out to Freddy, who was the gentleman over there at the shop where we got the hood. Y'all need parts, OBS, NBS. I don't know if he does NNBS. Near Conroe, North Houston area. Great people, good guy. Got an amazing channel. Picked up the hood. Looks like it's gonna fall off, but it's not. We're not gonna put it on today because there's still some stuff I need to freshen up with the hinges. See, I just want to clean these up, get them nice and clean, get the cowl in here cleaned up, and just be a lot easier with the hood off. So we'll do that. coming up pretty soon. But the wheels look great. I mean, you can't beat it. Nice beefy tire. I think this is what this kind of look. It's an 18. A lot of people go with 20s, which is cool too. I love that. But I wanted a beefier tire on here. The 17s I think just come out too small. So this wasn't a cheap tire, but it came out really nice. It's a 295/45 18. So if you're trying to do an 18 on the back of your OBS, that's the tire of choice. It's a Nitto. I think it's an NT555. So anyway, love y'all. God bless y'all. Do all the things y'all do in the comments and things. And yeah, love y'all.